All right, James's Vintage Workshop, just doing a quick demo of these three Kiddie little keyboard musical type instruments. I don't know, I'm not gonna get too extensive into it. Let's just hear some of the cool things. This one, this is I guess Frozen, or I don't know, some kind of princess thing. Anyway, best thing about this is it does frog sounds, fish sounds. Wait, stop. Bird sounds. And frog. And a fish. So you know what we're gonna do? We'll just jam on all of this shit. Let's go with a beat here. Wait, no. How about that? A beat? That works. Let's go to this one. So, total noise. Wait, and then this one, we can do these things. Wait, hold on. Turn the volume down on that guy. And we'll do some Satan kind of stuff. Let's start a beat on this. Let's see what it does. There we go. Anyway, let's hear some of the animal sounds on this one. This is actually pretty cool. That's a mouse. Here's a zebra sound. Whatever that is. Owl. Oh, so you get about a minute of fun out of that before it cuts the beat. What else? Does this have anything else fun in here? Or just kind of seems like a... Oh. This is a Lightning McQueen Cars keyboard. So the human voice doesn't translate to the keyboard, it just goes through that. There's some cool sounds to circuit bend. Maybe we can get a beat on this one. Thank you. That's about all I have the patience for, but I hope you can see from that the array of sounds and noises you can make with these three Kiddie keyboard musical devices of sort. Anyway, thanks for watching, and if you made it this far, good for you, because that was some irritating noise, but you know what? That's a valid form of music in itself. Agreed? All right, thanks, audience. Glad you think that way.